So I am giving you the looks with this unit. So I will be doing a hair tutorial today on this little bomb unit that I did order. So if you would like to see how I did this very simple, quick and easy, then go ahead, stay tuned and continue watching. And if I did not say so myself, my name is Keymee. Make sure you do subscribe down below, hit the like button. So the wig I'm going to be reviewing today is going to be by Outre. It is going to be this lace front wig, which is the Annie Bob 12-inch wig, and I do have it in the color 1B. So this right here is your packaging. That is going to be the stock card. Up close, it does say that it is a pre-plucked lace part, and it does have HD transparent lace. And then this is the back. They do have different colors, and then it is showing you the side and back of how it is. So it looks like it's going to be like a angled bob. So this is what the wig looks like. As you can see, it does have some texture. It is a natural yaki type of wig, so it is very, very pretty. And then this color, it is not like shiny whatsoever. So you do have your two combs that are going to be on the front, and then you do have a comb in the back, and then you do have your adjustable straps. And then this is going to be the lace part, and then the lace is like on the light brown kind of side. So this is what it is looking like on and starting out. Girl, they give you too much lace to be cutting off. The hair is shedding just a little bit, but it's not too much. And then I like the hair is so freaking silky. Like, I love the texture of this hair. It is so freaking silky. So that is what it is looking like. Like, this looks so freaking bomb. Like you just silk pressed your hair. It looks so freaking bomb. Like a fresh silk and cut like hair. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm in love with this. Okay, and then that is going to be the parting space. So the parting space does look good. They do give you baby hairs on this unit, but I'm just going to use my own. So the lace has been cut off, so I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me Powder in 362 Truffle, and I'm just going to put that powder just like in the parting space on the bottom of the wig, so I don't have to use any foundation because it's like just a part. So, and then too, I got on this light stocking cap, and so I won't have to change it, hopefully. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on top as well. So I don't know if y'all can see that. So that's what it looks like. And then of course I got my stocking cap on. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer just to see if I can just conceal it up and I'll take my stocking cap off. And I am using the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the color Cafe. Okay, so that is looking good. I just need to clean it up. Because, girl, at this point, I'm just getting it all over the lace. Oh, yeah, I like that. So now I'm going to go back over it with that powder. And now I'm going to go in with some mousse just to kind of tame this part down and keep it flat. Then I'm going to be using this BB foam wrapping mousse. And this is also going to help me clean up that concealer. Okay, so I'm just going to pull that back a little bit and then go ahead and work on my baby hairs. I'm going to go in with my Style Factor Edge Booster, and I'm going to actually do my actual baby hairs, not the wigs baby hairs. So now I'm going to go in with a wax stick because I do want the front just to be down a little bit. So this is what this wig is looking like. So let's go ahead and talk about this wig. So this wig is going to be Miss Outre Annie. Starting out the texture, like I said, it's going to be your natural yaki texture, and it is so freaking silky and pretty. So it looks so freaking good in person. Like it looks like a human hair kind of pricey kind of wig, but this right here was on the low because it ain't nothing but a little lace part unit. So I really do like that. Like the texture, it just looks like so freaking expensive and quality. Like it looks very good. You do get like some strands here and there as far as shedding, but it's like nothing major. As you can see, I have a pink shirt on and you don't see any hair on me, so I do like that about this. I didn't like glue this wig down, so it does look a little funny because my hair did blend in with my foundation, but I didn't want to use the baby hairs on this wig, so yeah, I still like it though. But yeah, you can choose to use baby hairs if you do or do not want to. I did apply my concealer and powder just to blend that out, as y'all did see, so you don't have to go overboard with trying to get this to look nice. I do think it was easy to, you know, get it to look like my skin tone, which I do like. I did not apply any heat on this wig whatsoever. I just used some mousse, and then I used like a wax stick just to keep the hair down in place. If you don't have a wax stick, you can use like some freezing spray or something just to spray and then comb through the hair so that it doesn't keep moving and stuff, especially if you're going out and in the wind, and then it is a little cold outside, so it is a little bit windy. So, and if you are going outside and it's windy, I would go ahead and say spray this bad boy down so it is not going everywhere, because this wig right here, it is a big head friendly unit, so be careful with that. Like I said, I did not use the combs, so it is sliding back just a little bit. I did only put my freeze spray right here, and that's really not enough. So yeah, but other than that, I think this is a gorgeous unit. My only con is going to be like right here in the middle. It feels like it's bunching up. I can't really see if it's bunching up like until I play this clip back, but it is right here. It's like right here, you can feel it bunching up, and then it feels like tracks are showing, which I'm not sure if there are tracks showing. It just feels like it, and it feels a little thin right there. So I will leave a link down below of where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments I did not answer, leave those down below, and I will see you guys on my next video.